Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix an Amazon payment declined issue. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Amazon application, tap on your menu, and make sure that you are logged in by going to the U tab. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in real quick. So once you're logged in, go inside of U tab, or you could also go into your wallet, and this is where you can simply go ahead and ensure that you have entered the right details. So verify your payment detail, your card number, expiration date, billing address, and everything else. If that is not the case, you might want to go ahead and update your application. So in order to do that, all you need to do is simply uninstall your application and reinstall it from your App Store or Play Store, which will fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.